So friends, welcome to my English class academy, English lesson 2 part 6, slide 2. So in earlier session as we decided and studied English to Hindi translation few words every day based upon a small chart so that we will be able to learn and understand English language very fast. So today also a few words of English are given here along with the corresponding Hindi meaning for them. So let's try to learn by heart it and keep it forever in our mind so that we will be able to learn English language fast. First word this. This means yah. Second come. Come means आइए. Tell. Tell means बताना. That. That means वह. Go. Go का मतलब जाओ. Talk. Talk means बात करना. These. 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 These का मतलब ये. Stand up. Stand up का मतलब खड़े हो जाओ. Here. Here मतलब सुनो. Those. 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 Way. Way. Sit down. Sit down का मतलब बैठ जाओ. लिसन लिसन का मतलब सुनना ध्यान देना तो फ्रेंड्स so every day in every session we are going to learn a few English words with the corresponding meaning of the in Hindi language so that we'll be able to learn English language fast and better way. So we move to our next slide, slide number 2. Now friends, coming to our regular session of English lesson 2 part 6 slide 3 on the basis of rule 1 to 7 explained in earlier session of English lesson 2 the following two tables are made for correct use of pronouns. अंग्रेजी पाठ 2 के पूर्व सत्र में बताए गए नियम 1 से 7 के आधार पर सर्वनामों के सही प्रयोग के लिए निम्नलिखित दो तालिकाएं बनाई गई है. So friends, टेबल 1 थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन तालिका एक में तीसरा व्यक्ति के सर्वनाम के बारे में जानकारी दी गई है. Here are two columns. First, left side noun, right side corresponding pronoun. So here for the pronoun for the left side, corresponding pronouns are given for the same. So we'll study them one by one. First, man, boy, everyone, everybody, every person. Corresponding pronoun for these are all he, him, his, himself. Second, woman, girl, every girl. For corresponding pronoun will be she, her, hers, herself. Third, a thing, an animal, one. For for these nouns, corresponding pronoun will be it, its, itself. Noun. Fourth, fourth category is men, women, people, animals, things. For these nouns, corresponding pronoun will be they, them, their, theirs, themselves. So, friends, these two charts are very important. So, keep in your mind, learn by heart them. So, you'll be able to learn English fast, accurately, and perfectly in no time. So, we move to our next slide, slide number 4. Now friends, coming to slide 4, English lesson 2 part 6. The table 2 is given here all forms of personal pronoun. तालिका 2 व्यक्तिगत सर्वनाम के सभी रूप. So friends, here are 5 columns. First column personal pronoun nominative, second column personal pronoun accusative, third column possessive adjective, fourth column possessive pronoun, fifth column reflexive pronoun. So under each column from left to right, the corresponding uh, details are given for each word given on the left side in first column. For example, I, first is I. For I, personal pronoun will be me, possessive adjective is my, possessive pronoun mine, reflexive pronoun myself. Same way, for personal pronoun you, personal pronoun accusative will be you, possessive possessive adjective will be your, possessive pronoun will be yours, reflexive pronoun will be yourself. He, him, his, himself. She, hers, herself. It, itself. One, oneself. We, us, ours, ourselves. You, yours, yourself. And the last, they. For they, personal pronoun accusative will be them, possessive adjective will be their, possessive pronoun will be theirs, reflexive pronoun will be themselves. So friends, as earlier I said, chart 1 and chart 2 are very important to learn English language correctly, accurately and fast. So keep in your mind, try to learn it by heart so that you will be able to learn English language very fast. So we move to our next slide, slide number 5. Friends, in English lesson 2 part 6 slide 5, here is an exercise based upon rule 1 to 7 we studied earlier in earlier sessions. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the correct pronouns or possessive adjectives. निम्नलिखित वाक्यों में रिक्त स्थान की पूर्ति सही सर्वनाम या अधिकारवाचक विशेषणों से कीजिए. So here are friends 1 to 5 sentences and you have to apply the correct pronoun or possessive adjectives. Answers for this are given below for your convenience and understanding. Try to solve this exercise based upon rule 1 to 7 you studied earlier. So this exercise is going to continue in slide 6. So we move to our slide 6 now and we'll study further exercise 6 to 12 there. So friends, as we stated earlier, English lesson 2 part 6 slide 6, here the earlier exercise is being continued and there are 6 to 12 number sentences where you have to apply the correct pronoun or adjectives here depending upon the meaning of the sentence and its gender. So answers are given for the 6 to 12 sentences below for your convenience and understanding. So as you studied rule 1 to 7 earlier, based upon those, try to solve this exercise on your own. So you'll be able to learn English fast. So please do it. So we end our session here and we will meet in our next session with a new chapter. Okay, thank you. Friends, here is a sincere request to you all. If you like it, press like button. If you like this educational channel, please subscribe it to receive everyday video. And also we request you to share these videos to your nearer and dearer one, family, friends, and your colleagues. We hope you are enjoying these videos with correct way of learning English language. Thank you all. Please like the hit button. Once again, request you to subscribe and share it with all. Thank you. Thank you all.